Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. In this video, I want to talk to you about what it takes to get your sunroof synchronized in the event that you replace the motor and or travel guide, probably just the travel guide, and your Volvo 850 probably works for SV70s as well. On the left, you have your motor. On the right, you have this travel sensor limiter, and this thing is a little bit tricky. I don't know if any electronic way to do it, so this is how I did it. I went to the salvage yard and I purchased a sunroof frame assembly. It had the tracks in it. I removed the motor, the glass, and this travel limiter because I didn't want to pay for that stuff. So I walked out of the salvage yard with a working sunroof track assembly for $10. When I got home and installed it and then moved my motor and travel limiter to the frame, it was obvious that the frame that I put in the car had the sunroof at a different position than where it is now. So when I opened the sunroof wanted to open further than it was supposed to. So I stopped it. I didn't want to grind the gears going too far open. And when I held the switch closed, the sunroof stopped about 2 inches before the sunroof was closed. Well, these cars are not that computerized. So what you have to do to synchronize the sunroof travel mechanism with the travel limiter on the right here is you have to drop that limiter down. It has one screw in it and a catch. You unscrew the screw, you pull that thing down, kind of like you just installed it. And with everything still plugged in, you run your sunroof to the closed position. Make sure it's closed and it's level and it's where you need it to be closed. Then you reinstall that travel limiter, and then your sunroof should be synchronized the way it needs to be. Get that back in, make sure it's all the way in, put your screw in, you hold your switch to open, your sunroof should travel open. When it's all the way open, it'll stop by itself. Then you hold your switch to close. When the sunroof gets all the way closed and level, it should stop itself. You hit the close or up on the button again, it will raise the back of the sunroof to a vent position, and that vent position, it will let the sunroof be raised in the back. Then you push the bottom of the button, it should close the sunroof back to the closed position, and it should be level or near level. It's old, may not be perfect, should be good to go. Then you hit the down button again, then your sunroof should drop down into the mechanism and start to open. So that's what I did here. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.